Quantify the energy use of your building systems, equipment, and processes using temporary data logging. We Energies and Wisconsin Public Service provide temporary data logging to accurately measure energy use so you can make informed decisions to optimize processes and equipment.
We learned about this program from our We Energies representative. When we were looking at reduction of our electrical and gas consumption, they had suggested that we start metering our main lines coming into the buildings.
Data logging can be used to study energy-intensive equipment or a process. It can also be used to compare the potential savings between standard equipment and high-efficiency equipment.
By using the data loggers, you're able to get validation of the current electrical consumption of your equipment. With that, you're able to get a true reading of what your building is doing compared to a calculated.
Analyzing the data collected can help create a better understanding of your operating costs, verify savings from energy projects, and identify opportunity for additional energy savings. This data can also be used to develop Key Performance Indicators, or KPIs, to track progress towards an energy goal. Data logging typically begins by identifying the equipment or process you want to target for analysis. This may be based on runtime or scheduling of current equipment or older equipment that needs to be replaced.
For the data logging process, we were looking at getting a baseline of our paint equipment.
Next, an energy engineer will work with you and your electrician to install a temporary meter to gather the energy information.
We installed it onto the main electric feed into that paint equipment and began data logging for a week.
After the monitoring period is complete, the meter data is downloaded and a report is generated.
What we learned from those meters was what the actual electrical consumption was. Before then, it was only an estimated and a calculated guess. What we were able to see was actual run times, what was actually being pulled, at what times during the day. It actually gave us a snapshot of what that booth was doing 24/7.
Finally, we will meet with you to review the report to help you better understand your energy use and identify energy-saving opportunities.
From what we learned, we've decided to implement a robotic painter in the booth. So instead of manual painting, we've now gone robotic, and once the robot is up to speed, we will be implementing meters on that to do a cost comparison of operations.
Your path to savings starts here. Contact your utility to get started data logging at your facility.